Do you know the real fear after 50? It's not wrinkles. It's weakness. It's the fear of losing independence, of needing help for even the smallest things. But here's the truth. You don't have to accept that. With the right protein foods, even the cheapest ones, you can rebuild your muscle and reclaim your freedom. Let me ask you something. Have you noticed that as we get older, especially after 50 or 60, our bodies don't feel quite the same? Maybe climbing stairs feels harder, carrying groceries seems heavier, or that simple morning walk leaves you more tired than before. This isn't just in your head. It's because of a natural process called sarcopenia, which is the gradual loss of muscle mass as we age. Experts say that after the age of 50, we lose about 1 to 2% of our muscle each year if we don't take action. And the weaker our muscles get, the more difficult it becomes to stay active, independent, and strong. Now, here's the good news. Protein is the key to fighting back. And you don't need expensive supplements or fancy protein shakes to get it. In fact, some of the best muscle rebuilding proteins are cheap, natural, and available right in your kitchen. When it comes to rebuilding muscle and staying strong after 50 or 60, few foods are as simple, affordable, and powerful as the humble egg. For generations, eggs have been called nature's multivitamin, and for good reason. They are packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients that help your body maintain muscle, boost energy, and keep you feeling full of life. After the age of 50, one of the biggest health challenges is muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. It creeps in slowly, but has a big impact. Weak muscles mean weak bones, poor balance, and less independence. But here's the good news. Eggs are one of the most effective ways to fight back. A single egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of complete protein. That means it carries all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair and rebuild muscle. Unlike plant proteins, which sometimes lack certain amino acids, eggs provide the perfect balance. That's why they're often used as the gold standard for measuring protein quality. But eggs are more than just protein. The egg yolk, the golden center, holds treasures of nutrition. It is rich in vitamin D, which strengthens bones and boosts immunity, and vitamin B12, which supports nerve function and energy. It also has choline, an essential nutrient that sharpens memory and brain health, something especially valuable as we grow older. And let's not forget affordability. In a world where protein powders and supplements can cost a fortune, eggs remain one of the cheapest and most accessible proteins. Whether you buy them from the local market or keep a few hens at home, eggs give you nutrition that fits any budget. Now, how can you make eggs a part of your daily life? The beauty of eggs is in their versatility. You can have them boiled, scrambled, poached, or made into an omelet with vegetables for extra fiber and vitamins. A boiled egg in the morning provides long-lasting energy for the day. 2 scrambled eggs for lunch can keep you satisfied without needing heavy meals. Even adding a sliced boiled egg to a salad turns it into a protein-rich meal. Some people worry about cholesterol in eggs, and that's a valid concern. But modern research shows that for most healthy individuals, eating 1 or 2 eggs a day is safe and does not raise heart disease risk. In fact, the nutrients in eggs support heart and overall health. Of course, if you have a specific medical condition, it's always wise to consult your doctor. But for the average adult over 50, eggs are a safe and nourishing choice. So, let's put it this way. Every egg is like a tiny package of energy and strength, wrapped in a simple shell. For those in their 50s, 60s, or beyond, this little food can make a big difference in maintaining independence, preventing weakness, and feeling young at heart. So, the next time you crack open that golden yolk, remember, you're not just eating breakfast. You're fueling your muscles, protecting your bones, and giving your body the gift of strength. So today, I want to share with you 5 affordable protein sources that can help you rebuild muscle, boost energy, and stay strong after 50 and 60. When we think of strength after 50 or 60, most of us imagine lifting weights or exercising. But strength also comes from what we put inside our bodies, and few foods are as powerful and as delicious as a simple bowl of yogurt. Yogurt is not just a snack or dessert, it's a creamy treasure chest of protein, calcium, and probiotics that work together to keep muscles firm, bones strong, and the body energized. After 50, the body's ability to absorb certain nutrients, especially calcium and protein, begins to decline. This can make bones weaker and muscles thinner. That's why so many people in this age group experience back pain, joint stiffness, or even fragile bones that break easily. But here's where yogurt steps in as a quiet hero. Just one serving of plain yogurt can give you around 10 grams of protein, a significant boost for rebuilding muscle. And unlike many other protein sources, yogurt is soft, easy to digest, and gentle on the stomach, making it perfect for older adults. The real magic of yogurt lies in its calcium content. Every spoonful is loaded with this essential mineral, which is the building block of strong bones and teeth. After 50, when the risk of osteoporosis increases, calcium becomes more important than ever. Paired with the natural vitamin D that's often added to fortified yogurt, calcium from yogurt doesn't just protect your bones, it helps them stay dense and resilient so you can continue walking, climbing, and living life with confidence. But yogurt has another secret weapon: probiotics. These are the good bacteria that live in your digestive system and keep your gut healthy. Why does that matter for muscles and bones? Because when your gut is healthy, your body absorbs nutrients like protein, calcium, and magnesium more effectively. Think of probiotics as the helpers that make sure all the good food you eat actually gets used by your body. A healthy gut also strengthens your immune system, reduces inflammation, and keeps your energy levels higher, all vital for staying active after 50. And let's not forget, yogurt is one of the most budget-friendly proteins available. Compared to expensive supplements, protein powders, or meats, yogurt gives you incredible nutrition at a fraction of the cost. A simple tub of plain yogurt can last for several servings and can be enjoyed in countless ways. You can eat it plain, mix it with fruit for natural sweetness, add nuts and seeds for extra crunch, or even use it as a healthy base for smoothies and salad dressings. Some people worry about sugar in flavored yogurts, and that's a valid concern. The healthiest option is plain, unsweetened yogurt or Greek yogurt, which is naturally rich in protein and low in added sugar. You can always sweeten it naturally with a drizzle of honey or fresh fruit. So why is yogurt truly a creamy spoonful of strength? Because in one simple food, you get protein for muscles, calcium for bones, probiotics for gut health, and convenience for everyday living. For anyone over 50 or 60 who wants to stay strong, active, and independent, yogurt is not just a treat, it's a daily habit worth keeping. Think of it this way: every spoonful of yogurt is an investment in your future strength. It's creamy comfort that doesn't just please your taste buds, it protects your bones, nourishes your muscles, and keeps you standing tall, no matter your age. When people think about building muscle, they often imagine expensive protein powders, steaks, or supplements. But here's the truth: some of the most powerful sources of protein don't come with a high price tag. They're small, humble, and often sitting right in your kitchen pantry: lentils and beans. For anyone over 50 or 60 looking to stay strong, these tiny grains truly are mighty heroes. As we age, the body naturally begins to lose muscle mass in a process called sarcopenia. This loss of strength can affect mobility, independence, and overall quality of life. The good news is that adding protein-rich foods like lentils and beans to your daily meals can slow down this process and even rebuild lost muscle. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils can provide nearly 18 grams of protein, while beans like chickpeas, kidney beans, and black beans offer between 14 and 15 grams per cup. That's a significant amount, especially when combined with other simple protein foods. But the benefits of lentils and beans don't stop at protein. They're also rich in fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. For people over 50, this is especially important because metabolism tends to slow down with age, and fiber helps manage weight, control blood sugar levels, and support heart health. In fact, research shows that diets high in beans and lentils are linked to lower risks of heart disease and type 2 diabetes, 2 conditions that become more common as we get older. Another incredible advantage is their iron content. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen to your muscles and tissues, keeping you energized and active. After 50, fatigue and low stamina often become challenges, but regularly eating beans and lentils can help fight tiredness and improve endurance. Pairing them with vitamin C-rich foods like tomatoes, lemon juice, or bell peppers boosts iron absorption even more. Lentils and beans are also rich in magnesium and potassium, minerals that play a vital role in muscle function, heart rhythm, and bone health. Potassium helps prevent cramps, while magnesium supports muscle recovery after activity. These tiny grains are like a natural supplement, but much tastier and cheaper. And let's talk about cost. Compared to meat, chicken, or even dairy products, lentils and beans are some of the most affordable proteins you can find. A single bag of lentils can last for weeks and provide dozens of nutrient-rich meals. For seniors on a budget, this makes them one of the smartest food choices available. Cooking with lentils and beans is also incredibly versatile. You can add lentils to soups, stews, and salads. Beans can be turned into curries, chili, or even blended into spreads like hummus. For those who prefer lighter meals, a simple lentil soup with vegetables can provide comfort and strength in one bowl. Unlike meat, lentils and beans don't require long cooking times or complicated recipes, making them easy to prepare even if energy or time is limited. Another hidden benefit? They're plant-based, which means they're naturally free of cholesterol and low in fat. This is especially helpful for protecting heart health, lowering bad cholesterol, and keeping arteries clear, all crucial factors for living longer and healthier after 50. So, when we call lentils and beans tiny grains with mighty muscle power, it's not just a catchy phrase, it's the truth. In their small size, they pack in protein, fiber, iron, and minerals, all of which work together to protect your muscles, bones, and heart. For anyone over 50 or 60, adding just a few servings of lentils or beans to your weekly diet can be life-changing. They help keep your muscles strong, your heart healthy, your stomach satisfied, and your budget safe. These little powerhouses prove that you don't need expensive foods to stay strong. You just need the wisdom to choose the right ones. Remember, sometimes the smallest foods carry the greatest strength. And with lentils and beans on your plate, every bite is a step toward reclaiming your energy, your independence, and your vitality. Peanuts are one of the most underrated yet powerful foods for anyone over 50 or 60 who wants to rebuild muscle and stay strong without spending too much. Often seen as a simple snack, peanuts are actually a rich source of plant-based protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that make them a budget-friendly superfood. Just a small handful provides nearly 7 grams of protein, which is essential for repairing and rebuilding muscles that naturally weaken with age due to sarcopenia. Along with protein, peanuts are loaded with magnesium that supports muscle function and recovery, potassium that helps prevent painful cramps, and vitamin B3 or niacin, which improves blood flow to working muscles. For older adults who worry about losing independence, the steady intake of such nutrients means stronger muscles, better energy, and more confidence in daily activities. Beyond muscle strength, peanuts are also a gift to the heart, packed with monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that lower bad cholesterol while raising good cholesterol, protecting against heart disease, a major concern after 50. Antioxidants like vitamin E and resveratrol in peanuts reduce inflammation, guard blood vessels, and promote long-term cardiovascular health. Another reason peanuts are valuable is the role in weight management, as protein and fiber in them help you stay full for longer, reducing unnecessary snacking and controlling sugar spikes. This is especially important for those battling slower metabolism and belly fat after midlife. What makes peanuts even more appealing is their affordability. Compared to expensive nuts like almonds or walnuts, peanuts cost much less, yet provide nearly the same health benefits, earning them the title of the poor man's protein. For seniors living on a limited budget, they are one of the simplest ways to get strength and nourishment without breaking the bank. They're also versatile. Roasted peanuts make a great snack, peanut butter can be spread on whole grain toast or blended into a smoothie, and crushed peanuts add crunch and nutrition to salads or porridges. For those with chewing difficulties, even creamy peanut butter can be easily enjoyed, making peanuts accessible for all. While peanuts are nutrient-rich, they are calorie-dense, so moderation matters. A small handful a day is enough to deliver their full benefits without unwanted weight gain. In short, peanuts may be small, but they are true pocket-sized powerhouses. They not only provide affordable protein, but also keep muscles strong, the heart healthy, and energy levels steady, helping older adults stay active, independent, and full of life. For anyone over 50 or 60 looking for lasting strength, vitality, and health, a handful of peanuts each day is more than just a snack. It is a daily step toward reclaiming power, independence, and freedom. Oats and whole grains are truly the unsung heroes of healthy aging, especially for people over 50 and 60 who want to rebuild muscle, maintain strength, and keep their energy high throughout the day, without spending too much. Unlike refined grains that are stripped of their nutrients, whole grains such as oats, brown rice, barley, and whole wheat retain all three nutrient-rich layers, the bran, germ, and endosperm, making them an incredible source of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Oats in particular are packed with slow-digesting carbohydrates and about 5 grams of protein per serving, which together provide a steady release of energy, preventing the blood sugar spikes and crashes that are so common in older age.
For anyone struggling with fatigue, oats and whole grains act like a natural fuel tank, keeping you active from morning till evening. Beyond energy, they are rich in soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan, which not only supports digestive health but also lowers cholesterol, protecting the heart, a vital concern after 50 when heart disease risk climbs sharply. The fiber also helps maintain a healthy weight by keeping you full for longer, reducing unnecessary snacking and supporting better gut function. But what makes oats and whole grains especially powerful for older adults is their contribution to muscle and bone health. They contain magnesium, iron, and phosphorus, which aid muscle contraction, oxygen transport, and bone strength, while B vitamins in these grains help convert food into energy efficiently, keeping muscles and nerves working smoothly. For those battling sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, starting the day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with milk, yogurt, nuts, or seeds can provide a muscle-strengthening, nutrient-rich breakfast that costs very little compared to supplements or fancy protein powders. The affordability of oats and whole grains make them even more appealing. They are far cheaper than animal protein sources and can be bought in bulk, lasting for weeks. Their versatility also means you'll never get bored. Oats can be eaten warm as porridge, chilled as overnight oats with fruit, or even blended into smoothies, while whole grains like brown rice or quinoa can replace white rice and pasta for a healthier lunch or dinner option. Moreover, oats are naturally soft and easy to chew, which is especially helpful for older adults who may struggle with harder foods. Whole grains also play a protective role against chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and even some cancers thanks to their antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Eating them regularly has been linked with longer life expectancy, stronger immunity, and better overall vitality. They are not just food, they are medicine in the form of comfort. Imagine starting your morning with a warm bowl of oats. Each spoonful doesn't just fill your stomach, it fuels your body, strengthens your heart, powers your muscles, and nourishes your mind, giving you a sense of stability and energy that lasts the whole day. For anyone over 50 or 60, oats and whole grains are the most cost-effective, reliable, and wholesome way to stay active, strong, and independent. In the end, the secret to ageless energy doesn't come from an expensive supplement or complicated diet. It comes from the humble bowl of oats and the daily habit of choosing whole grains that nourish your body and keep you moving forward with vitality and grace.